These next shoes we got them from the Home Depot.
Home Depot?
I mean, I'll cut that out. Welcome to another unboxing video. Today, Lonnie Land wanted to do a little unboxing video on her shoes that she got. Let's get to it. As you already know what they are by looking at the thumbnail. That's why you guys are here for clicking on it. So, this is the first pair. Bam!
Yay! Animal Crossings!
They're Animal Crossing. Pumas. They're made by Pumas with a collaboration with Animal Crossing. Alright. There's the box. We'll show you guys the box. That one really doesn't have nothing, but that's alright, man. Alright, let's get to it.
This is my sweatshirt.
Has some very nice wrapping paper on there. Has a couple other characters. Alright, she knows who they are. Put the one over there. Put the box over there. And there they go.
I think they're so pretty.
Right. Probably can see it better there.
I like the back of them.
Yeah, the Puma right there with the Animal Crossing little leaf. And it has a leaf print all the way around it. Also has the Puma and the Animal Crossing logo right there. And at the bottom, it just has the little Puma emblem right there.
They're so cute.
And of course, they're the opposite colors of her hoodie. Her hoodie is green with white leaves. These are white with green leaves. So, very nice collaboration to her jacket. So, alright. And of course, there's a left and a right. Came with both of them. Let's move on to the next shoe. Alright, and we got those Animal Crossing ones from Lady Foot Locker. Alright, and they were pretty much on sale. I want to say they were like 30 bucks. Or 30 bucks, so check your local Foot Locker. Alright, and the next shoes we got from the Shoe Depot at the mall, or the local mall. They have them in a bunch of malls, so check your local area. They might have them at the mall too. If not, check out Shoe Depot online. These are the SpongeBobs. Check it out, SpongeBob. SpongeBob. And I got Patrick and SpongeBob. Nickelodeon. These are official. You know what I mean? Alright. You want to do it? You want to do ours?
Both the characters!
Bam! Now, we got Patrick. Check Patrick's face out. Alright, got his shorts. Very nice. It has a SpongeBob logo in the back. SpongeBob SquarePants got them in there too.
It says ground up on the bottom.
It says ground up. Those are the people that make them. So, and here is the other shoe.
SpongeBob!
SpongeBob. I don't know how to do his laugh, but I know when you're looking at that, you can hear his laugh. And there's his outfit. And here's the tag that it came with. And this as well has the black in the back and for his shoes and the logo as well. So you have one that's Patrick and one that's SpongeBob. Both of the two buddies make your feet move, you know what I mean? So these are very adorable. These were about $26, $27 on sale. So they're both each about $30 if you find them in your local area. So not the most expensive shoes in the world, and very nice shoes for the price. So, alright, go. Want to say anything else before we?
These were a great purchase. I love them so much. Super awesome.
Alright, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on them post notification bells, stay tuned. We got giveaways and such stuff coming soon. So, stay tuned. Alright.